Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to get a custom crosshair on Ps5 Fortnite. First, turn on your PS5 and launch Fortnite. Now, use a gaming monitor that supports a built-in crosshair overlay. Access your monitor settings and enable the crosshair feature. If no monitor feature exists, use transparent tape and a fine-tipped marker. Then, draw a small crosshair at the center of the tape. Carefully stick the tape to the center of your screen. Alternatively, search for a Fortnite creative map with custom crosshairs. After that, enter the creative map using its code and follow the instructions. Avoid third-party software as it's unsupported and may violate terms. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.